Why all these things are very famous? Let's go through it in detail. Fashion, which means mode, Pierre Cardin, Louis Philippe, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Christian Dior. These are the famous fashion designers of France, and they also have the brand name with Pierre Cardin, Louis Philippe, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Christian Dior. That's why France is very famous for its fashion. Festivals: Mardi Gras, Noël, Pâques, La Fête de la Musique. Mardi Gras means Fête Tuesday, Noël, Christmas, Pâques, Easter, La Fête de la Musique means music, festival. These are the festival which is well known all over the world. Mountains, montagne. The mountain chains of France are les Alpes, le Massif central, les Pyrénées, le Jura, les Vosges. These are the mountain chains and the names given in the brackets. These are the highest peak of these mountain chains. Les Alpes, it has Mont Blanc as the highest peak. Le Massif central, Puy de Sancy, les Pyrénées, Antopic, le Jura, the Reculé. The next point is food and wine. Baguette, French bread, you all know, fromage, cheese, escargot, snail. These are the food items which French people love to eat. Wine, vin, le Bordeaux, le Bourgogne, le Beaujolais, etc. There are many more, but these are the famous names of wine and they are available in red and white. Monuments, monument, La Tour Eiffel, Eiffel Tower, La Notre Dame, Notre Dame. Notre Dame is a church. L'Arc de Triomphe, Triumphal Arch, is a gate on which the names of the soldiers are written who died during the Second World War. Le Sacré-Cœur, Sacred Heart, it is also a church, famous church in France, etc. Museums, musée, Le Musée du Louvre, the Louvre Museum. It is most visited museum in the world, and the famous artwork of Mona Lisa is also kept in this museum. The second is Le Musée d'Orsay, the Orsay Museum. It was earlier it was a railway station, and then now it is converted into a museum. Now let's begin with our new class. The first topic, the grammar topic of our class is le pluriel des noms, plural of noun. How to make a singular noun into plural. There are four ways of making a singular into plural. The first rule is all those nouns which ends with s, x, z in singular form remains same in the plural form. Only article changes to des, which means they, or les, les. For example, le bus. In this bus, the noun is already ending with s, so in plural form it will remain same, but the article le will changes to le. Le bus means bus. Le prix, les prix. Le nez, les nez. Le fils, les fils. La croix, les croix. So the nouns, if it ends with sxz in their singular form, it will remain same in their plural form. Only articles will change. Second point, if the noun ends with ail or al in singular form, the spelling of the noun, if it is ail and al in the singular form, it changes to aux. Instead of ail, it will be AUX in plural form. For example, le journal means newspaper. Le journal changes to les journaux. Instead of AL, now it is AUX. Second, B, l'animal, les animaux. Again, AL, the noun is ending with AL, and in plural form it is ending with AUX. C, le travail, work, les travaux. Travail is ending with AIL. In plural form it is ending with AUX. Le vitrail, les vitraux. Again AIL changes to AUX in the plural form. There are few exceptions ending with AL, AIL, which simply have S in the plural form instead of AUX. In French there are often many exceptions, so we need to learn all the exceptions very carefully. In this point also, the first is un bal, de bal. It is ending with AL, but as it is an exception, it will not have AUX. We will simply add S in the plural form. Un carnaval, de carnaval. Un festival, de festival. Un recital, de recital. The third point, the noun ending with AU, EU, OU in the singular form changes to AUX, EUX, OUX respectively. If the spelling of the noun in singular form is ending with AU, EU, OU, then we will simply add X at the end of the singular spelling, and it will changes to plural. For example, A, le gâteau, les gâteaux means cake. L'eau, les eaux, water. Le neveu, les neveux, nephew. Le bijou, les bijoux, jewelry. Le bateau, les bateaux, boat. L'oiseau, les oiseaux, bird. Le joujou, les joujou. Now all the spellings in singular form are ending with AU, EU or OU. In plural they have AUX, EUX or OUX. Last rule is, if the noun does not agrees with above three rules, then the noun will simply have S at the end in the plural form. Which means if the spelling of a singular noun is not ending with, for example, SXZ or AIL, AL or AU, EU, OU, then we will simply add S at the end of that spelling to make it plural. For example, le garçon, which means boy, les garçons, we have simply added S at the end. La fille, les filles. L'homme, les hommes. Un cahier, des cahiers. Une fleur, des fleurs. Now this is how we make a singular noun into its plural form. Thank you.